Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing the Yonanas. Um, Yonanas. I ordered this in Amazon, and this didn't come in a box. It just come like this. It just come just this. See? See, and this is all this is what inside. I thought it was in a box, but it just come in like this. So I took that out, and here it is. I already cleaned and everything. Look, I already washed it. It's pretty easy, but my concern is they don't have a box. They just have the Amazon box, but they had all this, So we'll see how this thing's gonna work. Okay, see what happened. Let's see what happened. I'm gonna put this in here. So let's see. How this thing's gonna work. It's right here. Got it? You see it is? It's right here. Okay. Let's plug it in. Sorry, this is hard to. The wire is hard to open it. Come on, where's this things go? It's stuck. Oh yeah, I think I need to cut this. Ah, got it, finally. All right, and I wash it. Be very careful with this. This is very, very sharp. See, it's sharp, and this is the thing here. So let's see. Let's put this back. And then put this back like this. Very sharp. Very, very sharp. So be very careful. And how does this work this way? Let me see. Hold on, because it didn't come out what I want. I don't know. Does it work? Yeah, so it works. There we go. There we go. Got it. See? Okay. And right here, put this back. It's locked, okay? And this is the one you push it. Let's plug it in. Okay, and I have all these fruits. I have frozen fruits here. Frozen fruits here. See how it works. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's try. Let's try the strawberry. Let's try the strawberry. Why it's not working? Maybe that's why. I don't know. Maybe we need to put more. See? Oh, there we go. Why is not? Is it lock? Is it lock? my God. Look at this. Look at, and it's pretty clean. Look. Let's see. Let's see. Let's eat it. Let's try it. Let's try it, guys. Let's try it. Let's try it. Look at this. Mmm. Oh, wow. Oh, guys, so good. Wow, it's good. Good. Oh, wow, this is good. There's pineapple here. Wow. Good, guys. This is a lot. Yonanas. Good. Good. Very good. Okay, subscribe to my channel. Bye.